It's really great seeing all of you guys. We're going to get to know each other more. Right now, you're strangers, but we're going to be fast friends. We're going to start out by just working with how to draw a sphere.
Today we are going to start with a photograph, and you guys are gonna have to do this with me. And we will mimic these lines on a photograph to help us understand better the planes of the face.
So you guys are gonna do line this morning and then you move to value this afternoon.
Clean it up and then work. Right now you've got your marks going one direction. Have them go the other direction a little bit. If you need to erase, go in it. Congratulations, you guys. I feel like difference in the growth that's happened in the last 2 weeks has been ginormous.
I wish you all best of luck moving forward.
Thank you.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Thank you.